Hello, today I am going to join you again sa Science Lesson, Module 2, Lesson 4. Ako si Rhea Nalguen Buduan kung nakakalimutan niyo na. So welcome! Are you excited for a fun learning session? Dapat excited kayo para ganahan kayong matuto. Before we start, dapat meron kayong pen or pencil, notebook, and of course, yung module for today which is Module 2, Lesson 4. Class rules and objectives. Yung class rules lang naman, parang dati, you should take down notes kung gusto nyo. Pero I recommend na mag-take down notes kayo for your review. And of course, makinig kayong mabuti sa akin. For our objectives, before the end of my presentation, dapat kaya nyo nang mag-describe ng techniques in separating mixtures by using a magnet. And of course, apply the technique in everyday life. So, based sa objectives, alam na natin kung saan nagre-revolve yung topic natin for today, which is magnets. So, ang topic natin ay separating mixtures using magnet. Bago tayo mag-start, para maintindihan nyo ng mabuti kung paano nga ba nasa-separate yung mga mixtures using a magnet, we can describe or define yung mga terms and concepts na pwede nyo ma-encounter mamaya. First one is yung metals. Metals are minerals or substances, basically objects that form naturally below the surface of the earth. So, mostly ng mga metals ay shiny, malleable, ductile, and good conductors of electricity and heat. Kaya kung may tinidor kayo o kutsara kayo, huwag nyong isasaksak sa saksakan. Kasi, yung mga tinidor at mga spoons ay made up of metals and makukuryente kayo pag sinaksak nyo siya sa saksakan. So, metals which are made up of alloy, nickel, cobalt, and iron are easily attracted to metals. When they are mixed with non-metals are plastics, textiles, ganon. This could easily be separated by magnets. So, these are examples and illustrations of objects attracted to magnets. Kaya kung may magnets kayo dyan, try nyo ilapit sa mga bagay na to and tingnan nyo kung didikit siya o maa-attract siya sa magnets. So, example 1, yung mga coins. Yung mga tigpipiso nyo dyan or 5, ayan, they are attracted to magnets. Example 2 is yung bala ng stapler ninyo or staple wires kasi they are made up of metals. Example 3 is yung thumbtacks. Sure na nakakita na kayo niyan. Maybe nung face-to-face sa inyong mga bulletin boards, mga thumbtacks, they are attracted to magnets. Next term and concept is yung magnets and yung magnetic separation. So, lahat ng magnets are made up of a group of metals na tinatawag na ferromagnetic metals such as nickel, iron, and cobalt. Magnets can also be man-made. Magnets are objects that produces their own magnetic fields which interacts with other magnetic fields. Yung mga magnets natin, they have 2 poles, yung south at north. Sa picture natin, hindi natin makikita yung south at north, pero meron dito yung south, dito yung north, pwede rin baliktad. Mamaya magpapakita ko ng magnets na may label na S and N for south and north. Metals and nonmetals can be separated by using a magnet, which is called magnetic separation or magnetism. Sa magnetic separation or magnetism, walang chemical reaction na nai-involve para ma-separate yung components. Like physical lang. No chemical. Ito yung may label na north and south. May tanong ako. Pag hinati ba natin to sa gitna, yung isa north lang, yung isa south lang? No. Kasi pag sineparate natin to or hinati natin to sa gitna, yung magkakaroon ng South Pole dito, magkakaroon ng North Pole dito. Bale, kahit ilang beses mo pa yung hatiin, magkakaroon siya ng North and South Pole palagi. Hindi maghihiwalay ang North and South. Sana all. Ayan, so using magnets in everyday life. Saan nga ba nakikita yung magnet sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay, diba? Of course, yung refrigerators natin. Kung napapansin nyo pag sinasara nyo yan, bakit hindi siya nag-stay open? Bakit naka-close lang siya? Because of the magnets. So, magnets keeps the doors of our refrigerators closed. Ayan. Next is yung MRI. Yung MRI, probably hindi nyo pa to alam. Ginagamit to ng mga doktor para makita yung sa loob ng katawan natin. So, MRI, pinapower siya ng magnets. Pati yung mga earphones natin or headphones, para makarinig tayo ng music or sound, kailangan ng magnets.
I'm going to combine two substances. Table salt and iron filings. When you combine two or more substances, what is it called? What do you notice? Does the salt still look like salt? Is the iron still iron? How can I separate them back into their lone substances? I'm going to use what I know about the physical properties of salt and the physical properties of iron to separate them back into their original substances. I know that iron is magnetic and salt is not. So one way I can do this is with a magnet. There's most of the iron filings separated from the salt. And a few more. What's another way I can separate the salt from the iron? What are other ways that other mixtures can be separated? Why do you think it's important to know how to separate mixtures? What else do you know about mixtures?
Ayan, so sana nakinig kayo ng mabuti sa video na yon. And sana may natutunan kayo at nalaman nyo kung paano nasa-separate ang metals sa non-metals. Next is itong short lang na seat work with 4 items lang. Write yes if the object can be attracted to a magnet and no if not. Number 1 is yung gold ring. 2, iron paper clip. 3, nails. Hindi nails na kuko nails na pako. Yan. Number 4 is yung plastic bottles. You can pause the video kung kailangan nyo pa ng time to answer. And now I'll flash the answers. Sana tapos nyo na. Pause if you are not yet done. And gold ring. No. Yung gold, hindi yan na-attract sa magnet. Iron paper clip. Yes, kasi the paper clip is made up of iron. Made out of iron, I mean. Pag yung paper clip is made up of plastic, hindi yan ma-attract sa magnet. Nails, yes. Plastic bottles, no, kasi hindi na-attract ang plastic sa magnet. So, summary of the class na tayo. Number 1, magnetic separation is one way to separate mixtures of metals from non-metals. Number 2, magnets are objects that produces their own magnetic field which interacts with other magnetic fields. Number 3, metals which are made up of alloy, nickel, cobalt, and iron are easily attracted to magnets. So, tapos na tayo for the lesson for today. Thank you for attending or watching. You can contact me anytime if you have any questions. Pag wala na yung contact details ko sa inyo, you can always watch yung previous video lesson ko. Nandun lahat ng contact details ko. Ayun lang. Thank you and sana marami kayong natutunan sa akin for today.